Are you ready to transform your content with lifelike AI voices? Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to use Elevenlabs for professional quality voiceovers, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. First, head over to elevenlabs.io and sign up for an account. They have a free tier that's perfect for getting started, giving you enough characters per month to experiment and see the power of their technology. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your creation hub. Now, let's explore the core feature, speech synthesis. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a large text box where you can type or paste the script you want to convert into audio. For this guide, I'll just use a simple sentence like, "Welcome to this tutorial on creating amazing AI." Next, it's time to choose your voice. Below the text box, you'll find a drop-down menu with a variety of pre-made voices. Each one has a different tone, accent, and style. You can click the play button next to a name to hear a sample. Let's try Adam for a clear and authoritative sound. Once you've picked a voice, you can fine-tune it using the voice settings. You can adjust sliders for stability and clarity to either make the voice more consistent or more expressive. For a standard voiceover, the default settings are usually a great starting point. With your text in place and your voice selected, it's time to generate the audio. Simply click the Generate button. In just a few seconds, Elevenlabs will process your text and create the voiceover. An audio player will appear below, allowing you to listen to the result. If you're happy with it, you can download the audio file by clicking the download icon on the right side of the audio player. It will save as an MP3 file, ready to be dropped into your video editing software or any other project. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've gone from plain text to a compelling, human-like voice over using Elevenlabs. It's an incredibly powerful tool for content creators. Give it a try and see how it can elevate your own projects.